You're watching ABC 7 News at 4 on your side.
Welcome back at 4:30. The coronavirus pandemic has slowed much of the economy, but for one local business, the demand is actually going up, and it's because of what they make. It's a Northern Virginia business, and Tom Rousey was there and brings us the story.
Pretty much all of our product lines are related back to the emergency response sector.
In normal times, Camila Buscavage spends her days at a computer doing marketing. But when we visited, she was working to produce one of the products she normally markets. The reason, all the products First Line Technology makes here in Fredericksburg are suddenly in very, very high demand.
We get orders every other minute.
200, 250 phone calls a day started in March, and it hasn't stopped.
CEO Amit Kapoor says the demand has led him to shuffle his staff around.
So they might be in marketing, and now they've shifted over to production. They might be in sales, and they've shifted over to production. We're trying to move everybody into production so we have the supply.
Whether it be this chemical biological cleaning agent, or these wipes that help remove viruses, or this Sprinter van being retrofitted to carry COVID-19 patients, he's getting so many orders he's had to prioritize.
Public health, police, fire, or EMS response. So they get first dibs at products.
They tell me in normal times, every shelf would be filled with boxes, but they say these days, as fast as they can pack it, it gets shipped.
This is not going to be stocked on shelves. It's immediately being put into kits, and the kits are being shipped out the door.
Putting more employees on the floor at a time would help them ship products faster, but that's a risk Kapoor doesn't want to take.
Social distancing, and there's a 6 foot, but we're trying to make that even larger, so we create stations around the warehouse.
They don't expect the demand to let up anytime soon. In Fredericksburg, Tom Rousey, ABC 7 News.